Okay, if you are using VirtualBox, utaenda kwa VirtualBox yako, then unaona hizi ndi my machines. Kuna Kali Linux na Kali Linux, zote ni VMs, virtual machine. Then una click one virtual machines, unakuja kwa settings, then unakuja kwa network, then attached to network iko NAT, by default iko NAT, but sasa tunataka eka host only adapter. Sasa then click OK, na ingine the same case, kama uko na mbili, kuje kwa network, make sure umeweka, kama hii ni NAT, nafaa niweke host only adapter, then I click OK, then root, wait, is my password, the root, thanks. Okay, let me check the IP address. The IP address I have, this is the other virtual machine. For this one, my IP address nimepewa this one, na hii nimepewa na host na my machine na this virtual machine, this VirtualBox imeni assign this one. That will not be changing, it will be static. Even if I restart the machine, whether I'm offline or I'm online, haitabadilika. Hii ya pili inajikokota. Okay, for instance, let me reboot this one, tuone ama itabadilisha IP, not IP address 56.108. Hizo zingine hazibadiliki, sijui kwa nini inajikokota, but okay. If config, what do I have? Okay, this other virtual machine is restarting. I want to see if it will change them. Now in the meantime, when it's restarting, let's also check. Isha quit. So you see, if I try to log in kwa this ambayo imereboot na reboot, juu haija start, hii bado hairespond. If Windows hairespond, sababu it's can't reach it. What if we try to ping it, to send some ping? Wow, isha restart, ishafunguka, ping zinaenda through. Okay, hii nayo if config, kwa nini inajikokota sana? Uproot. You see, it's static, haijabadilika, still the same address. So now if we go to our machine, then service Apache, natumia Apache 2 server, na nime create such that every time nikistart machine ina start automatically. So if I check my status, it's active and it's running, so meaning now we can connect remotely. So now if I try, tunaona sasa imekuja da haraka, sika by the other time. So no user, no OS user 1, it's my username, my password is pass1, boom, tuko hapo. So nikiweka list, tunaona folder na no user. Okay, nimepea hii no user 1 folder yake FTP. So nikienda kwa FTP kuna hizi folder and no user 1. So nikienda kwa no user 1, what do we have? We have nothing. Haya, nikienda kwa no user 1, tume change, hakuna nothing hapo. So lakini nikiweza sema maybe touch file 1 style.txt, I've created a file, so I should see it here. Na ukiangalia hiyo file yetu has reflected this is remotely. Hii ni remote machine na is the server. Haya, ingine nayo ndio inajikokota sana. Don't know what's wrong with this virtual machine. It's very 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 slow. Okay, unaona this address is not static. Okay, like this one, how hatuwezi access it remotely, so we need to be given an address kama this one 192.168.56. maybe now this one will be given 109. Tumechange kwa VirtualBox but ni vile hatuja reboot. So if we reboot the machine, it should now give us a static address. It's just very very slow. Alafu Linux by default inakuja na MySQL. Okay, I need to start the service. MySQL service, MySQL start. Okay, have started. Oh, good. Show databases. Okay, you don't have. Let's create one database. Use one. So we have one database. Okay, sasa I think there are some configurations nafaa kufanya kwa by database. Let me quit. etc MySQL config. LS, what do we have? Nano MySQL.config. See hapa, it's not this one, it's not this file. MySQL or MariaDB. Okay, kuna file natafuta ile tunafaa ku configure to make our database be accessed outside the local system. Like we create users. Germany, no 50. These are my SQL clients. Okay. Okay, this is how I cook my things mpaka nione ni gani ita work. I think that's approach huwa ina work for me. Juu ikisha work nitajua so this is how to do it. But sasa nikikwama sana, then I go to search on the web. I think it's this one. Let me see. Oh, it's not this one. MariaDB.